yeah, no test required, no PCR, antigen, nothing, mate. Just walk straight through, come to England, have a good time, travel gang.
Por motivos de seguridad y con el fin de evitar cualquier riesgo relacionado con su batería, los dispositivos portátiles.
Welcome people, travel gang, the London Heathrow just landed. Yeah, I'm going to show you how easy it is to enter the UK now. So no rules, no nothing. No forms to fill out, no vaccination needed, and one of the best things I personally think, no tests required to enter the country, no vaccinations, no nada, nothing. You just come in. There's no masks as well, so I might just take this mask off now. Perfectly legal. No necesito mascarillas. No need for masks, people. Here in the UK anyway. Just getting the bags now. Flew through the border control. British passport, automatic. Whack it in a machine, done deal. Yeah, now we're just waiting for the bags. Arriving soon, you know. It's just people, no masks required. But if it gets a little bit busy, I'm sticking mine on anyway. You get me? Travel gang, we like to be safe. Is that my bag there already? Yeah, it is. Yes, people. Sit back, come through early, and yes, people, no mask required, as you can see at Heathrow. Any airports in the UK, no forms to fill in, no vaccination needed, and yeah, no tests required, no PCR, antigen, nothing, mate. Just walk straight through, come to England, have a good time, travel gang. Like, bell notifications, make sure you subscribe as well. Peace in the Middle East. As you can see, people, Terminal 5, no masks. These two just come out, no one's wearing masks. Don't need nothing, mate. Welcome. That lady's not masked.